Why most ad campaigns fail after the first month. If you've ever run an ad campaign before, you've probably experienced this. The first month looks promising. You see clicks, some leads, maybe even some sales, but then suddenly performance drops, costs rise, conversions stagnate, and it feels like the momentum just disappears. You might think it's just bad luck or seasonal dip, but the truth is most ad campaigns fail after the first month for reasons that are completely preventable. Today, we're going to break down why this happens and how you can avoid it. The first reason is a lack of ongoing optimization. Many businesses set a campaign, let it run, and then forget about it. The initial setup may work well for a first few weeks, but platforms like Google and Facebook are constantly changing. Competition adjusts their ads, audience shifts, and ads fatigue. If your campaigns aren't actively monitoring and optimized, performance naturally declines. Successful campaigns require continuous attention, testing, and fine-tuning. The second reason is ad fatigue. Even the best ads stop performing if your audience sees them too often. People become blind to your message, click-through rates drop, and conversions decrease. What worked during the first month won't necessarily work in the second. That's why it's crucial to rotate creatives, update the copy, and introduce new regular offerings. These small changes can freshen up your campaign and extend its lifetime span significantly. Another major factor is targeting issues. Early on, campaigns often rely on broad targeting to gather data quickly. But once the first month passes, if targeting isn't refined, ads continue reaching people who aren't likely to convert. Narrowing your audience based on insights from the initial data can dramatically improve results. Without this refinement, your campaigns slowly become less effective and more expensive over time. Bidding strategy also plays a big role. Many campaigns start with the automated or standard bids, which may work initially. But as competition grows and algorithms adjust, these bids may no longer deliver results at the same cost per acquisition. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your bid strategy is essential. Small bids tweaks can lower cost, increase conversions, and prevent the slow decline of most campaigns and their experience. Landing pages are another often overlooked culprit. Early success can hide underlying problems. Maybe your ad is great, but your landing page just doesn't convert effectively. In the first month, novelty and curiosity can drive clicks, but over time, conversion rates drop if the page isn't optimized. Testing layouts, headings, and call to actions ensures that the page continues to convert as traffic grows. Data and analytics are often ignored after the first month. Businesses assume that initial metrics are enough to guide decisions, but performance trends change over time. And if you're not monitoring key metrics and key indicators like costs per acquisition, click-through rates, and conversion rates, you won't notice declines until it's too late. Consistently analysis of your campaign can really change whether your business stagnates or is scalable for your business and its growth. Another reason campaigns fail is a lack of follow-up and nurturing. Paid ads often bring in leads that aren't ready to buy immediately. If you don't have email sequences, retargeting, or other nurturing strategies in place, you lose those potential customers over time. Early clicks may seem promising, but without a strategy to turn leads into sales, campaigns fail to generate sustainable revenue growth. Additionally, businesses often neglect the importance of testing. The first month is essentially an experiment. Data is being collected, audiences are being refined, and messaging is being tested. If you don't take those insights and implement changes, campaigns stagnate. Testing different ads, variations, targeting options, and landing pages is often where the gains come into play. Without testing, campaigns stall and eventually fail. Finally, unrealistic expectations are part of the problem. Many business owners expect instant, consistent results. When performance dips slightly the first month, they panic and often cut budgets or stop campaigns altogether. This reaction prevents the natural optimization process from taking place. Sustainable ad campaigns grow gradually, using data-driven adjustments to improve results over time. So what's the solution? First, treat every campaign as a living, evolving system, not a set and forget project. Monitor performance daily, weekly, and optimize ads. Adjust targeting, tweak bids, and refresh creatives. Second, track key metrics like cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, and conversion rates to understand the health of the campaigns. Third, test relentlessly. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. Finally, implement follow-up strategies to nurture leads that aren't ready to buy immediately. The bottom line is this: most ad campaigns fail after the first month because businesses stop paying attention. Platforms evolve, competitors change, audiences change, and ads get stale. Campaigns require consistent optimization, testing, and data-driven decision making. If you treat your ads like a living system rather than a one-time setup, you will avoid the common pitfalls and create campaigns that continue to grow and generate revenue month after month. Paid advertising isn't magic, it's a process. Understand that the first month is just the beginning. Use the data you gather to refine, optimize, and scale. That's how campaigns survive and thrive long term. By paying attention to these details, making strategic adjustments, and thinking in terms of continuous improvement, your campaigns won't just survive, they'll multiply your revenue over time.